Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we will see how we can search for jobs on LinkedIn. I wonder why you want to search for a job on LinkedIn. Because somebody has told you that there is a lot of job opportunities available on LinkedIn. Or maybe already you're looking for a job so you just want to search it on LinkedIn. Or maybe whatever the reason is, in this video I'll show you how you can do that. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description. You can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that your mobile phone has LinkedIn app in it and it is linked with your account. And if you don't have LinkedIn app, then you should install it first and create your account. So here I'm just opening LinkedIn. And once I open it, here you can see this is the interface of LinkedIn. So here at below, we have 5 options available. The right one, we have to select this one which says job. So just click on that and then here we will search for jobs. Here we have some recommended jobs by LinkedIn, but if you want to search for a specific one, just click on search bar and there just type the job. Like if you're an engineer looking for engineering jobs, then you have to type the engineer here or the skills that are required for the engineering job. If you're a doctor, then search for medical job. So here I'm just simply searching for a writer job. So here I just write writer. I can also write writing, content writing, like these things. And once you're done writing, then you have to enter the place on which you're looking for a job. You have to enter your city, your province, your state, your country. If you live in USA, then you have to enter USA, its states, its city. Wherever you're living, you just have to enter that place so that the jobs from there will appear for you. After that, you will see we have the jobs that are related to us that are in our selected area. And now what we're gonna do, we will filter out more jobs. So on the top you can see we have an option which says date posted. It means how old jobs are you looking for. If the job is posted 1 month before you're looking for it, if it is posted 1 week you're looking for it, an year, a day, just select one of them and then jobs will appear according to that. After that, on top we have experience level. Here you have to enter the experience level of yours. If you're looking on a internship level, entry level, associate director, whatever the position you're looking for, you just have to select one of these according to your job requirement. Then just click on show and the jobs will appear according to it. After that, we will see the company, which kind of company you're looking for. If you have any name in your mind, you can select with that one. Otherwise, you can select from these. And if you don't want to select any one of these, you can skip it. And then what kind of job you're looking for, full-time, contract or internship. Just select one of these and then just click on show and then jobs will appear according to it. After that, you have to select like what kind of job you're looking for, remote job, full-time job or hybrid job. Just select one of these. So you have to keep selecting options according to your choice. Whatever you're looking for, you have to keep selecting these options, so at the end you get the specific jobs. Here we have filtered out all the jobs and all these jobs are now related to us, so you can select and click on any one of them, whichever you like. You just have to tap on it and then you can see which company it is, how many people work here, and what is the description and what is the job requirement, job description. And if you find it suitable according to you, then you can easily apply that. So that's how you can easily find jobs on LinkedIn. Also, this was the easiest way I know through which you can find jobs on LinkedIn. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel and thank you for watching the video.